Hey guys, I'm Joe with REN Water. Today I'm going to show you how to install our ultimate whole house water filtration system with UV protection. So we'll start off by mounting our mounting bracket to our head unit. Be sure you see where the inlet is and the outlet is so you have the proper water flow. Put our bracket on and use the provided screws. Now that we've got our mounting bracket attached to the head unit, we're going to put our fittings in. Be sure to put Teflon tape on each fitting before you put them in. Now this application will be going from a 3/4 inch on our inlet side and we'll be coming out with a 1 inch. All right, now that the fittings are in the head unit, let's mount this to the wall. So I've got everything pre-cut. And I've already measured everything so that way it's easy for the install. You can use PVC, you can use PEX, copper. I chose copper today, but you can do different routes. So now I've got everything here cut, we're going to go ahead and get this installed onto the wall. All right, now we're going to put more piping in. Notice we did use a couple shutoff valves for our bypass. Let's go ahead and get this side installed. Okay, now we've got all our hoses attached here. Let's go ahead and get the bulb in. So to start with, we'll use our quartz sleeve. It'll slide right in the end. Make sure you go nice and straight. Once that's in place, drop your spring. Secure it in place. All right, we'll go ahead and get this mounted and then we'll put the bulb in once it's on the wall. All right, now that we have our brackets on, let's go ahead and put the unit on. Let's secure it in with the straps. Okay, now that we've got everything pretty much set up, we're going to go ahead and mount the control unit for the UV, and then we'll get our canisters in place. All right, so now that we've got the controller installed, we can go ahead and put our bulb in. All right, now it's time to install our UV bulb. Here's the key that's going to go into the control unit. Let's go ahead and get these off of here. Make sure you wear gloves so that way you're not getting any oils on the bulb. You can also wipe it down with a microfiber cloth just to be safe. You're just going to plug it right in. We can slide this right in. Okay, now that the bulb's in here, let's go ahead and connect our ground. Okay, now it's time to install the programming key into the control unit for the UV. All right, now we are ready to install our filters into the canisters and get our O-rings lubricated. Now with each set, you'll have, for as many canisters you have, you'll have that many things of lubricant. We'll slide our filter down in place. Crack open the lubricant. We'll just generously apply this to our O-ring. Make sure you get a nice even coat all the way around. Now we have our filters ready to go. Let's get them installed. So first up, we'll install our sediment with scale. Now we have our carbon. And finally, our lead protection's going in. I use a provided wrench just to get them a little snug. That's all you need. All right, guys, and it's simple as that. Now you know where your bypass valves are. When the system's in use, keep these two open. This one will remain off. And when it's time to perform your annual maintenance, simply shut these two valves off, open this, and you can continue to use water throughout your home.